Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get a screen recorder, not a screen recorder, I mean, whatever it's called. How to get a thumbnail. Like this. This is a thumbnail. With, like, you can put props on the front. So, once you make your thumbnail, well, the site that I recommend is just type in Canva. Just Canva, not just put Canva. And after that, you can see this Canva. It's the third one. Then you have to log into one of your accounts. And you can create. Or just go back so I can show you how to create. So press on create design. I recommend a presentation because if you do a poster, it's a really small space. So do presentation. Then after you do that, then you should go to your channel. Whichever channel you have. YouTube Studio, essentially up here. And then after that, you should press on videos. After you upload it, for example, this one.
Wait, let me go and
that I made.
let me read the book again.
Check it out. Okay, so then upload thumbnail should be here. Then after that, is it this one? No, it's not. So you could always redo it, like my ID changes. Then after you go from folders and try to find what you literally, you can screenshot it. This is another.
Wait for a bit because the laptop is
Oh, so for this, all you have to do is go to Roblox if you did it on Roblox. And if you did it on Roblox, just go to whatever you did it on. Then if you did it in a game, go to whichever game. I did it in Dragon Adventures. So get in the game. Then take a picture of whatever you think you want to take a picture of. Dragons. I want to take a picture of this and this. I want to take a picture of these two. I want to ride him. And after that, you can go up, maybe take a little bit of a picture. On PC, you want to take a picture that would be PRTC next to F12. So PRTSC, then do this, press on it, and then wait for it and press open folder. Once you get it, so it's in Roblox. And here it is. So now let's get out the game. Go to Tableau. Go to presentation. Loading. Then you go to uploads. Upload image or video. This is the image I want to upload. Then you can see this. Just wait for it. Once this gets to the top, that means it's done. Just wait, it's wiggling, and it's done. So here it is. Okay, I accidentally got to it. Delete that, then you can make it bigger. Make it bigger. Okay. Then you can put elements. Since this one's technically all mud, we'll do that. Because I usually cover the faces like that. And this one, question for him. Because he's mysterious. I really want to try to cover, like this. This will cover it. And then you could always just use the same one, like the wow I have. Yeah, you can do that, and then after that you can add something. This one. And then you can just up here you can edit it, make it small or big. Let her orange. It can be you can put it down here, and then you press download. I recommend GPK. You don't need to do anything, just download it. Just download, preparing the design, just wait for it. Press save, do not press open. Press view downloads. Press on this. And then you can see this is Q1. So then you find in folders. Okay, here. Cancel. So you don't have it anymore. Go back to YouTube, upload thumbnail, and after that you can go to quick access where you found it. Then I just need to rename it. Okay, check out this video, guys. I'm gonna post it now. You just do this, and then you can save your changes. It's loading. Okay, the changes have been saved. Now you just have to go back. Then you got your thumbnail. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and and turn on all notifications so you never miss one of my videos.